What's going on YouTube? I'm Jason and welcome back to Street Car Culture. You guys may be wondering what this is. This is a 1985 HB 929 Coupe and I bought it because it has an FE engine, which is a 2-litre version of my MX-6 engine already in a rear-wheel drive configuration. So I basically bought it to take the engine mounts, the auto transmission, the converter, and a bunch of little miscellaneous items that belong to the rear-wheel drive that bolt straight onto my front-wheel drive 2.2 block, F2T block, to help me finish off getting everything set up in the wagon. So stuff like gearbox crossmember, engine mounts, water pipes that bring up the hose to the front of the radiator, just a bunch of stuff. But I'll give you a quick look at the 929. You guys can tell me what you think. Alright, please excuse the wind, it is windy outside, but I need to get this done to start getting more progress on the wagon. But basically, this is an 8-valve FE 2-litre in rear-wheel drive configuration. So we're going to pull the engine and gearbox out today, and then I'm going to line both the 2-litre up with the 2.2 front-wheel drive, and then make another video showing you what we swap over to get it in rear-wheel drive configuration. Off the top of my head, it's engine mounts, converter, box, little weird pipes that bring everything front-wheel drive orientation. But without getting caught up in that, let's actually pull this motor out. I'll whack you guys on a time lapse, and when we get close, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, there's a stubborn exhaust flange bolt, so you would have seen me heat it up and try everything. So now my last resort is trying the double spanner trick for more leverage. Now if you are going to try this at home, please be extremely careful. I don't really recommend it. I'm only doing it because I've got no other choice. It's either that or I'd start cutting shit up, and I don't really want to do that. Also too, I recommend gloves because a setup like this is going to crunch your knuckles. But let's see. Oh no. Let's try. There you go, boys. The old trusty try it as a last resort and wear hand protection because you are going to crush your hand into something. Alright guys, as you can see we got the exhaust nuts off, so I can one step closer pull the motor. This is the nut that was, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the nut that was giving me issues. I had to heat up and all sorts because it was tucked in here. Actually, if you notice, actually, because I'm not using this motor, I just cut the dipstick tube down so I can get more leverage. But obviously if you're keeping your motor, I don't recommend that. But yeah, what a pain in the ass. So that's all off now. So we got the motor out. I'm pretty much just using it for the gearbox and a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff that I'll go through in the next episode. I'll have both blocks side by side. But yeah, this is the HB. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see me perhaps build this one after this one. But yeah, I don't want to say too much on it, but if you watch till the end you'll obviously see that I've got the HB. But yeah, this one's going to just go on the side of the house for a little while. We'll focus on this bad boy. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content, obviously you'll notice my channel is, you know, more grassroots channel. I try not to it's not, you know, special effects and edited heavily and stuff, because I just build out of my shed, you know. So I want my video to reflect that more grassroots type build where, you know, just if I need to pull out an engine, I'll just get in there and pull out an engine without all the cinematics and, you know, all the stuff. But yeah, the weather is turning pretty heavily. I think you guys, the clouds are pretty dark, so I'm trying to get packed up. Try to get packed up before it starts pouring down and put the motor and stuff in there. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content, subscribe, share, like, whatever you guys feel is fit, and I'll see you at the next one.